Hi there. Jamf now allows admins to customize a user's setup experience when a device goes through automated device enrollment. Let's go through a quick walkthrough of how to customize Setup Assistant in Jamf Now. Before we begin, be sure that auto-enrollment is already configured in your Jamf Now instance. If you haven't configured this yet, or if you want a more detailed explanation of automated device enrollment, be sure to check out the Get Started with Jamf Now series linked in the resources. From the auto-enrollment page, click Setup Steps. Here we have a list of all Setup Assistant panes for all Apple devices. On the right, there are labels showing what type of device the setting can be applied to. By default, all panes are enabled. To simplify the Setup Assistant process for our users, we can deselect the checkbox for each pane we want to disable. For example, if I'm sending new company devices out to my employees, I may not want them to log in with a personal Apple ID or use iMessage and FaceTime. If I scroll down to the Services heading, I can deselect those checkboxes to prevent the user from enabling those during Setup Assistant. We can also disable all Setup Assistant panes using the Skip All Steps button at the top. Once the steps are configured, scroll down to the bottom and select Save Settings to finalize the selections. With the steps saved, our users will now go through a customized setup experience during automated device enrollment. Thanks for watching.